For the most part, our Monday afternoon has been very hot and humid, and along with that, a strong breeze with a lot of sunshine. But as we look to the south downtown, we can see some towering cumulus clouds there associated with some strong and severe storms that have been developing over the last hour or so. There's a live scan on Viper radar. You can see a lot of lightning in northern Wayne County, south of Glenville right now. You can probably hear that off in the distance, but that is one of our severe warning storms. The other one, the newer severe thunderstorm warning issued for portions of Bacon County and into Appleton County and also most of Jeff Davis County, including Denton and Hazelhurst. This cell moving to the north around 25 to 30 miles per hour, possibly producing wind gusts up to around 60 miles per hour. The cell that is now over Wayne County, the strongest part of it is in the extreme northern part of the county into northeastern portions of Appleton County, just to the south of Glenville, moving northward around 20 miles per hour. This cell also capable of producing some strong damaging wind gusts in excess of 50 or 60 miles per hour. Certainly a lot of lightning associated with that cell. Almost 200 lightning strikes over the last 10 to 15 minutes with both of these cells as they are drifting northward. As they continue to move further to the north, they will weaken, and once we lose the daytime heating, it looks like most of the activity will start to settle down as we head into the evening hours. But even without severe storms, it has been a breezy and gusty day, due in part to high pressure to our north and also the circulation of tropical depression number 2 down to our south. But with that high pressure setting up, really helping us to heat into the upper 90s for several locations. Heat index values even right now are over 100 degrees for several locations. The heat will be an issue for the next few days with that high pressure to our north. With that low, this area of low pressure, this is tropical depression number 2, really setting us up for a tight pressure gradient, helping those winds to increase a bit, also bringing in some extra moisture to South Georgia. That's where we do have the better chance for showers and storms over the next few days as tropical depression 2 slowly moves off to the west and northwest, eventually toward the Louisiana coast. It is encountering some wind shear and also some Saharan dust, so it's kind of lopsided as far as the convective activity, but the center is actually in this bit of clearing right there, north of some convection bursts, south of the center of circulation. Wind speeds up to 35 miles per hour. It's crawling to the northwest right now at 3 miles per hour. We do expect it to become a little bit better organized, possibly becoming a tropical storm later on tonight or early Tuesday morning, likely not becoming a strong system because it is going to be so close to the coast, but landfall in Louisiana possible very early Thursday morning as a tropical storm. Eventually, then, some of that moisture will come in our direction as a cold front makes its way into the southeast. That will absorb some of that moisture, enhance our rain chances starting on Thursday, but mainly into Friday and for Saturday, with drier conditions starting to come back for the second half of the weekend. For tonight, 77 degrees for low temperature. A few more showers and storms are still possible, at least early on. And then for tomorrow, same type of setup, a few isolated storms possible, but hot and humid with a strong breeze. Winds gusting over 20 miles per hour possible. Highs will be in the middle and upper 90s for many inland communities. There's a small craft advisory issued for the nearshore waters of Georgia and South Carolina because of those winds up to 25 knots, giving us seas around 3 to 4 feet. So mainly dry and hot for Tuesday and Wednesday, staying hot with slightly more storm chances in the forecast for Thursday, but more elevated storm chances, more widespread activity expected for Friday and Saturday, with temperatures actually trending a little bit below normal.
Okay, that'll be nice.
We'll take it.
Thank you so much. Well, the St. Joseph